Imagine the weight of a mountain, then imagine it trying to move. That is the reality of a massive gravity dam. Millions of tons of water, held back by nothing but engineering and sheer concrete mass. But what happens when that structure is no longer enough? Today, we are breaking down one of the most terrifying logistical challenges in civil engineering, the massive reinforcement and hydro expansion of a high-pressure dam. We aren't just building, we're fighting physics. To save the dam, we first have to expose its vulnerability. We begin with a controlled drawdown. As the massive discharge valves open, the reservoir level drops, revealing a dark, wet bathtub ring of silt and algae. This isn't just a cleaning job, it's surgery. Robotic high-pressure blasters crawl across the face like spiders, stripping away decades of grime to reach the raw aggregate. We finish with grit blasting, etching the concrete until it's a rough, bone-dry canvas. The structure looks vulnerable, but it's finally ready for its steel cage. Now, the reinforcement begins. We move specialized vertical drilling rigs onto the crest. These aren't your standard drills, they're boring 5-inch diameter holes hundreds of feet deep, through the concrete and into the very granite of the earth. We slide in multi-strand steel anchors, tendons of pure strength. Once seated, we pump in high-pressure grout to create a permanent bond. But the real magic is post-tensioning. Using massive hydraulic jacks, we pull those tendons with millions of pounds of force, literally squeezing the dam against its foundation. We've just turned a passive wall into an active structural force. While the face gets its steel, the base needs a new foundation. We shift focus to the toe of the dam. Massive excavators with hydraulic breakers tear into the granite riverbed, carving out a trench for a new concrete shear key. Inside this trench, we weave a labyrinth of rebar so dense a person can barely walk through it. Then, the concrete flows. We pour a massive secondary shield, jumping the formwork upward section by section. This new light gray layer encases the original face, making the structure thicker, heavier, and virtually indestructible. Reinforcement is only half the battle. Now, we expand the energy output. We end our locked shot rule and move to the abutments. Giant tunnel boring machines, TBMs, grind into the raw granite, carving out perfect circular conduits for our new penstocks. Inside these tunnels, we install massive 20-foot diameter steel pipes, coated in shimmering black epoxy. Welders work in a symphony of sparks, joining these sections into a continuous, high-pressure artery that will soon carry the full weight of the reservoir directly to our powerhouse. Deep underground, we've carved out a cavernous industrial cathedral. This is the heart of the project. Gantry cranes move with agonizing slowness, lowering the stainless steel turbine runner, a masterpiece of curved blades, into its pit with millimeter precision. On the floor above, we assemble the house-sized rotors, winding thousands of miles of copper. When the blue housings are lowered into place, the powerhouse gallery stands ready. We test the wicket gates, watching them move with a heavy, smooth mechanical action. The heart is ready to beat. Every heart needs a brain. We transition to the sleek, modern control room overlooking the gallery. Here, we pull miles of fiber optic cable to connect thousands of internal sensors. We mount curved arrays of high-resolution monitors that flicker to life with real-time pressure data and bearing temperatures. As night falls, we bring the SCADA system online. The entire dam is now digitized, a glowing digital twin pulsating on the screens, allowing a single operator to govern the immense energy we're about to unleash. This is the finale. We close the drawdown gates, and the reservoir surges back. The dark blue water climbs the reinforced face, reaching the intake portals. You can hear the groan of the steel intake gates as they feel the weight of millions of gallons. Inside the powerhouse, the wicket gates open. A low, guttural roar vibrates through the concrete as the turbines hit full RPM. Water erupts from the tail race in a colossal surge, creating a rainbow in the mist. Clean, renewable energy is flowing. The dam stands defiant, a glowing fortress of engineering triumph.